Hey guys, this is Hybrid Comics here, and this is my 11th week of trading cryptocurrencies. Today is December 13th, and this last week has been pretty exciting for crypto. So Bitcoin was at 13,000 my last video. The day after, it went up to like 17,999. So like almost $5,000 in gains. And this week it's still up there. Right now it's dropped down a bit. It's at 16,500 right now. When I started this, it was like 3,400 or 3,500 like October 1st. And now it's up basically $14,000 from that. That's pretty crazy in 2 months. No correction yet. Wondering if that's going to happen. Futures started trading Sunday night, and Bitcoin went up, went down, and pretty much stayed the same. It just became a little bit more volatile. Nothing really amazing happened. I believe CME futures start on the 15th of this month also. So we'll see if that does anything. The overall market cap, I think right now, today it was like 500 billion. And it was less, it was like around 100 when I started in October. So it's just completely exploding. Pretty crazy. This week I am in the green. I'm almost up 10% from my original investment. So that's kind of exciting. Took about 2.5 months for that to happen. And I guess it took me not spending any money this last week too. So this week, I guess it was last week, but I didn't find out about it until it was this week. I registered for an ENS domain name, and you have to go on I did it on my Ether wallet. You go on there, you type in the name if it's available, you put a bid on it, and then it gives you some details, and I did not pay attention to the details. There's like a 3-day period for which you have to go back and check on your bid, and I went back the day after to check on it. So I missed out and I lost my 0.012 Ether into it, which when I did it wasn't very much, but I mean it's still not very much, but it's doubled in value since then, because Ether right now is in 700. So that happened. So if you are trying to register a ENS name, a domain name, just make sure you pay attention to the dates. Set a reminder or something on your calendar so you go back and check it. I finally did get a crypto kitty. Yay! I spent, I think I put 0.05 Ether in my MetaMask, and I spent like 0.03 on it. And now I really can't do anything with it because I don't want to put any more money in it just to play with it. But I got one, so there's that. This week, Nice Hash went down and caused a lot of problems with mining Vert, because everyone who was on Nice Hash mining Vert basically flooded the one-click miner pool, and people didn't get payouts or couldn't even get shares for like 2 days. So I switched pools. I'm on a different pool now. And then yesterday, or the day before yesterday, it came a day early. The day before yesterday, December 11th, the halvening for Vertcoin happened. So now instead of 50 Vertcoin per block, we only get 25. So hopefully that'll get rid of a few miners and clear up some of the problems that are going on right now with not being able to get a share just because there's so many people on the pools right now. So here's a chart for Litecoin, the daily chart for Litecoin. It's like Friday, I think this started happening, but Litecoin has just gone through the roof. I think I started selling Litecoin right here, and here. I sold half of my Litecoin, and then this happened. So it would have been better just to hold, but because from there it doubled, and it's still more than doubled. So I bought back in down here just a little bit, but that happened. Litecoin went crazy. Here is Ethereum. It did the same thing, not as quickly, but it started, went up a little, went all the way back down, and then almost doubled also. It went almost up to 800. Zcash made it up to 400, past 400 for a little bit, and then came back down. I tried to shapeshift my Zcash when it was at 400 into Vertcoin, because Vertcoin was under 8 when this was up at 400. So I wanted to shapeshift that out to take the profits out of my Zcash and put it into Vertcoin, because I'm pretty sure Vertcoin is going to make a run here in the next week or two. And if not, definitely in 2018, I believe it's going to be a big one. I tried sending the Zcash from my Ledger Nano, and I get my Zcash from Genesis Mining. I mine into my Ledger Nano, and apparently you're not supposed to do that because you have a ton of transactions. So I've been mining for 2 months, and you get a payout every day. This is what I read on the internet. I don't know if it's true, but the Nano has to verify every transaction before it sends it. So the time I guess it's spending to verify every one of those little transactions from the mining, I don't know if it's overheating the Nano S or if something's happening. I get about to 50% of confirming the transaction before my window just crashes and closes, and so it never actually sends it out. I don't know what I'm going to do there to get it out. Maybe send smaller transactions to somewhere else. I don't know if that'll work either. So I don't know. I have to read more about that. If anybody knows about getting, if you have already mined to the Ledger Nano S, getting out your money in a timely manner without having to just take your private key and open up another type of wallet or something to get it out. I would like to buy another card for my miner in a week or two, and I'm trying to find some way I can do that with crypto to make the purchase. I know I can use Purse.io and buy stuff on Amazon, but it looks like they only take Bitcoin, and I don't really want to spend my Bitcoin. I'd rather spend something else. So if you guys know of any place where I can purchase with crypto, not specifically Bitcoin, Litecoin would be great. So if you know anywhere that does that, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll talk to you guys next week, and I'm sure it'll be something new and interesting happening in the cryptoverse. Thanks a lot for watching.